title, it says I'm gonna free my bird. Well, the story is that actually happened is the other mate kinda got out and left because they were fighting and the gate was open. I felt bad for this little bird, so I'm gonna free it. So let's open this cage and let it free. If it's gonna come out, it won't come out. It won't come out. No, it's not coming out. Let's just wait. my dad's just trying to smack it out. It's not working. Oh, they hit me with it. It's so hard. I think it's scared. Wait. Let me just do this. And then, wait. It's not working. Free! Go away! Come on, Claire! Go! No! You were so close to freedom! We need the wire to hold off the gate. Birdie, my tablet can't handle any more space. Come on, Claire, fly. Fly. Wait, no, don't. The birdie. Wait. We need the wire. Oh no. No. Jimbo, she will not escape. If this fails, I'm making a part 2. We're letting her free in the sun this time. So it will be more obvious. You're free. You're free, Claire. Claire's not going out at all. Not going out. What if we try to take out the food supply? Let's take out the food supply. Let's see if she goes out through that hole. Let's just see. Let's put the food supply there. Let's try to open it. Wait. Sorry, no. Ah. We're letting her free.
Bye, Claire.
Bye. Go free.
Go free, Claire.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.